Hello THS, this is Tatiana Briggs with your afternoon announcements. On Friday, October 5th, after school, the THS art students will be hosting empty bowls. All bowls will be fired and used for a soup supper benefit for the Neighbor to Neighbor food pantry. Please see Ms. Fela for more details. GSA will have a meeting at 7:25 in room 210 on the 10th and a guest speaker on Tuesday, October 16th at 7:20 a.m. in room 210. The Wellness Committee is looking for 2 freshmen, 1 sophomore, and 1 junior. You will be taste testing new foods and help in choosing new meal items. If interested, please see Mr. Bender in the kitchen ASAP and have a tasty day. DECA will be having a meeting to discuss upcoming events and competition at 7:30 Tuesday morning in room 214. See you there. Students going on the Manufacturing Day field trip tomorrow, you must wear jeans and closed-toed shoes. Very important, bring safety glasses if you own any. See you in the Commons at 7:55 tomorrow morning. This has been Tatiana signing off.